is a blender? At its simplest, a blender is an electrical appliance with a jug that has sharp blades for breaking down solid ingredients into smooth textures. A blender is a versatile appliance and can handle a lot of tasks like smoothies and shakes, mayonnaises and dressings, pureeing fresh fruits and vegetables for baby food, desserts like pancake and crepe batters, and let's not forget cocktails and mocktails. If you have a blender with a tamper, you can even do nut butters or frozen treats. So how does a blender work? It's all in the blades. When you turn your blender on, the sharp blades spin at incredibly high speeds, which create a vortex that pull the ingredients into the blades, ensuring everything gets blended evenly. Most blenders have powerful motors and variable speed control, allowing you to choose the perfect blend. If you want a super smooth green smoothie, go for a high speed. Or maybe you're after a chunky salsa, then go for a low speed or pulse. When blending, there are a few things to remember. It's very important to layer your jug correctly. Always start with liquid, then make sure the blades are covered. It's important to get the liquid to solid ratio right to ensure even blending. Then go ahead and add softer ingredients, then harder ingredients or frozen ingredients on top. For more information on our blenders or to shop the blender range, follow the links in the description below.